Hey YouTube, here with a video on a air conditioner. Sometimes I post videos on how to help, but in this case I need some help. I want to find out why. This is, by the way, this is a Zerobreeze Mach1, and I am disassembling it. I previously had built it as a window AC, but I'm going to go ahead and cut a smaller profile to fit this easier into my van window. But I want to find out why it is when I turn on the air conditioner, like so, so the compressor's on now, and then it'll just shut off, and it's producing cold air. The rattling is because I haven't built a base for this yet, and that I can feel the evaporator coil getting cold, and you'll hear it run, and then it will shut off in about 5 seconds. They just shut off. So you hear it shut off, and the way I have it wired now, I just have it wired to my bicycle battery, and I have all the wires looped together. And the only thing I have different on here is a speed controller for the blower fan. So I'm wondering if is it because it's rattling that there's no bass on here, or is there something else that I need to address? Any help would be greatly advised, greatly appreciated. So thank you.